This is Carmen Russell-Sluchansky for Due Diligence. We are actually outside the Supreme Court right now, which just heard a challenge against the Defense of Marriage Act, that federal law that defines marriage as being between a man and a woman. We actually talked to some people outside the court as well to see what they had to say about the case and about same-sex marriage in this country.
I have wanted to be in that courtroom since April when I found out about Edie Windsor's struggle for equality, and I tried everything to get into the courtroom, and nothing worked. And so this morning at 5 o'clock I got in line, and it was cold and it was worth it. There was nothing like it to be here as history's being made. And I look at the sign above the Supreme Court there, cast in stone, equal justice under the law. That's what hopefully I saw today.
I think it's one of those things that it's pretty clear to see where the history trend is going, and there are always going to be people who oppose it, probably for biblical reasons or whatever. But I think just like a lot of issues in the past, it's going to seem silly in 40 years, 50 years. It's going to seem the way it looked for race issues in the past, and for a lot. And I think people are realizing that trend, and maybe it's for political reasons that they're doing it. Maybe it's because they've always believed it and were afraid to say it. But I think that the trend is obvious, and I don't think it's going to go back anytime soon.
It's really exciting. It's really encouraging. It seems like both days it's been an overwhelming majority has been in favor of equality, and that since that is the side that I'm on, it's really encouraging to see that. And as an attorney, like professionally, it's really exciting just to be in DC and to be at the court. And even though I only got to be in there for a few minutes and see part of the argument, I left, feeling tingly and just really excited to have had that opportunity, because you never know if you'll ever come back again. But I hope I will.
I think it's a very powerful message. I think it it speaks to how far we've come. And how much public emotion there is, and just the consistent evolution in thinkings. I think it shows that people can change their mind. I think a lot of people have changed their mind as people have learned that same-sex couples are just like other couples in terms of what they want for themselves and their families.